Today I am going to code. So I've been working on this design for something. It looks like Linktree, but I just wanted to make my own version of it, so I don't have to depend on some other third-party service, and I get to keep my data, and nobody can track me. Except I'm going to host this on Firebase, so maybe Google can track me because it's for free. So yeah, there's a price for everything. I'm going to just move this to this desktop, and I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. I'm going to have mkdir links. So we have this folder here. Now I'm going to open this in code. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Okay, what do? Trust all the authors. Yes, okay. So now next we have that. We have touch me dot css, and we have this. So now I'm going to open this, and before I do that, I am going to make a wireframe, or I'm just going to plan out how I am going to basically just divide all of these into tags. So what I'm going to do is I will do it. Actually, I'm just going to do it right here. So I'm just going to pull my backend tablet, and how do I connect this? Connect. Now it has to be connected. It's connected. So now just fill with dust. So I am going to show you my process, and it looks something like this. So first I'm going to go to pencil, and this becomes actually I just take some boxes first. Yeah, rectangle. This is the screen, and I'm going to make this just white. Okay, and then there's another rectangle. I'm going to take this off and add a stroke, maybe give it 2 so you can see it more clearly. And I'm going to bring this here. Oh, actually I can't grab it, so I'm going to keep the fill also white, or I'll just keep this a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to have, so this is one section, this is another section, and this is another section. So we're going to have 3 sections, 3 main sections. And now this box, so there's going to be one div. So this is Shift P pencil. Okay, so this is going to be I'm going to name this div 1. This is going to be div 2. This is going to be div 3. And now I am going to add this is one image tag, then this is one p tag, this is another p tag. So I can just write it here, image p, it can be p span or whatever, whatever you want to keep it. And then there's going to be buttons. So there's going to be button 1, button 2, button, and then at the bottom this is going to be our third div, and this is going to be same thing. It's going to be one button here or a tag. So I'm just going to put a, so 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, these are 5 different a tags, and within that a tag maybe we can keep the buttons. Let's see whichever is more convenient. So now we've got the 3 main divs. This is going to be display flex row. Is this row? Is this column? No, this is column. It's going to be display flex column. Then this will be same thing, display flex column, and then this is going to be display flex row. Oh, that looks bad. Okay. So now I'm going to take this and just, why can't I grab? Oh my god. Okay, so I just want these things at the moment, and I mean, you can maybe pause it or take a screenshot or draw it out. I am going to move this in a second, and yep, it's on my, wow, where did it go? Okay, this is going on my other display.